Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Gcash. There seems to be a problem. Please try again later. So what you have to do, if you're facing that problem, there are two major, or you can say three methods to solve the problem. All you have to do, the first method is, all you have to do is click on the icon of Gcash, long press the icon, and you will see an app info button. Click on app info. From here, you have to go to the storage and cache section, clear the cache, and after that, if the you can check once again if the problem has been resolved. If your problem has not been resolved yet, then you can go back here and clear the storage of the Gcash as well. Make sure that once you've cleared the storage, you have to sign in into the Gcash once again and try again if the problem has been fixed or not. But if the problem is not been resolved yet once again, then you can move towards the step 2, which is updating the app. Check if any app update of Gcash is available. To check the update, you have to go to the Play Store and click on search and type Gcash, and once the Gcash appears, then you can check if the update button is available with Gcash or not. If the update is available, you can update the Gcash application to the latest version and check if the problem has been resolved or not. But if you're unlucky and your problem has not been resolved, then you can head over to the step 3, which is restart your phone. All you have to do is click on the power button and power off, or click on restart button to reboot your phone. Once your phone is rebooted, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Gcash. There seems to be a problem. Please try again later. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.